Greetings from another nudist beach in Vienna, Austria. This is FKK Donauinsel Lobau on the river Danube, not on the main stream but on the subsequent stream that then goes into the mainstream, because it's forbidden, I think, to swim on the mainstream on Danube in all the countries that Danube is flowing through. Yes, so Danube flows through Vienna, and Vienna is the capital of Austria. And my name is Christian, and I am doing beach adventures throughout, mostly from Sweden, the country where I live, but also on all my travels when I'm visiting other countries. And in Vienna I have been several times before, but it's been a while. I think it was somewhere around 2017 that I was the last time in Austria, and in Vienna something around 2016. So back then I wasn't doing beach adventures, so now it's perfect opportunity to spend the day doing beach adventures in Vienna. I have visited earlier today two other nudist beaches on two lakes nearby. I think, and Pozolake, something like that. I don't really know, can't remember the name. But this is FKK Donauinsel Lobau, and unfortunately the beach itself is not in the best shape, and it's actually not like a beach, but the whole region here, the whole area of Donauinsel, it's FKK, even on the other side. So everything that starts from the bridge over there all the way down is FKK, nudist beach area. But currently there has been some substantial floods 2 or 3 weeks ago in Vienna and in other countries as well, like Czechia and Poland. So the walking path here across the Danube is a bit with extra mud or extra parts that have been put in order to prevent flooding, I believe so. But the river itself, it looks quite okay to me, so I decided to take a swim anyway. It has been a while since the floods, and we're gonna see how warm or cold it is in the river, because usually in the river it's a bit colder usually. So we're gonna find out the temperature as I'm showing you the beauty here of river Danube. But it seems like there is a lot of mud have been put here to prevent the flood at the entrance. We have 16 degrees Celsius in river Danube on this 29th of September 2024. So yes, it is 12 o'clock right now, and I am out already on my third beach adventure for today. So let's then get going and enjoy the day. But yeah, it would have been better if the setting would be a bit nicer than this, but yeah. There is also like a biking and running path not so close by, passing by through this whole area, and I'm gonna go also actually later on the other side to see how it is, and it seems a bit less affected by the floods, as I can see. So yes, FKK, what does it mean? FKK comes from the German, it's a German abbreviation, Freikopfkultur, which means free body culture, and it's known when a beach is FKK, so it's a nudist beach with other words. So yes, let's then get going and take a swim in river Donau in Vienna, Austria. So the river is not that fast over here, as this is not the main. Oh, I almost have fallen here a bit. As it's not here the main river flow as such. But yeah, let's then go in for a quick swim in river Donau in Vienna, Austria, on this FKK beach, Donauinsel Lobau, as it is called. All right, are we ready? Oof. Okay, I am. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's very deep right ahead, and it looks interesting. It's interesting vibe, and I see also these spots on the other side of the river as well that I'm planning to visit, and I want to pass that bridge over there. It looks quite nice from now passing by. So yes, Donauinsel Lobau FKK beach, and yes, so this whole basically this whole area over here is FKK and nudist beach area, but currently there is nobody here because maybe from the floods and people not wanting to swim, but also because it is cold. It is a Sunday, 29th of September, and it is only 13 degrees Celsius in the air and 16 in the river. So yes, let's then wrap up this episode from Donauinsel Lobau FKK nudist beach area in Vienna, Austria. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and my first swim ever, I think, on river Donau, so that's amazing. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.